Hi, my name is Eddy Fabery. Currently taking ENGG 415 distributed computing, and the project's all about learning the theories behind distributed computing systems and applying that knowledge in software challenges. Even though we call it an online program, I think Dartmouth has sort of like a hands-on approach. From hardware perspective, it was really nice to be able to zoom in, work with somebody on the ground to be able to coordinate, see how the hardware moves with software updates and get that feedback real time. There's slight small challenges in that you are not in a physical setting directly. You don't have control over the hardware per se. But to me, that was completely overcome by having TAs and John and folks helping out. And then the second thing is coordinating the right time and how to work with the team in a distributed setting, which also gives you great experience in how to manage a project together with complex requirements. Our plan of attack was have a standing meeting that we can commit to, and let's coordinate, communicate, let's tackle one thing at a time. And Professor Coco really sets up a nice progression for that. He does expect work on how the team can plan ahead on executing this, because you do have a big task. Like if you look at the course progression, the labs were these sort of fun little exercises, practical exercises that get you to the final project. So like the first lab was building Go Fish, which was learning to deal out cards and having multiple agent players. And then the second lab was Raft consensus algorithm, making sure that you have elections, voting mechanics, and so forth. How do we handle distributed agent scenarios? To me, I love applying the knowledge and learning, having the practical skills. It's not just about learning theory of distributed computing, but like how can you apply that to the real world? The concepts we learn here are super relevant today. And even the language you pick up, which is in Go, is super relevant in the industry. You can tell that the faculty cares about the interaction that happens and the amount of learning that does happen through these practical courses. I think that really is the differentiator.